was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday.
What the hell does this mean? Listen, I don't know what's going on.
So we're trying to make breakfast.
It's what time is it? It's 3:10 or something like that.
It is 3:10. Can you see? I don't know if you can see, but it's 3:10. We're making breakfast.
It's 15:10.
I can't even. Where's the pot we use?
It's right there. I can see it. That's what right there.
No, is it?
Yeah, not this, but the other one.
Shoots, man. Okay, look, you can see we're defrosting our. I don't know what you guys are looking at. Hold on. We're defrosting our turkey bacon in there for 10 minutes.
I'm taking that before then, so we're gonna start cooking.
I'm about to say, it's probably gonna start cooking.
Yeah, just talk fast.
Okay, so let me give you my OTD. So we are all human, guys. Some cute tights. Oh, I need to put on my shoes. Oh my gosh, I need to put on my shoes because I got popped. Last time we were cooking, I got popped in the foot by the grits. I don't know what we did so wrong. We're not like any chefs or anything, if you can't tell. Get my little. Oops, sorry guys. Here we go. Ah! Okay, so we're having. What are we having? Are we making eggs too?
No.
We're making our grits. And we're gonna put this in the pot too. He's naked! Oh my. Relax.
Be crying. The dogs. Everybody crying. Oh. Still cold.
I'm gonna turn this bad boy on.
Put salt in the water?
Oh.
Hurry up, sir.
Hey, oh shoot, wait, watch out. I don't know if you guys can see me. Oh my gosh, can I see my bun? Let me just take it out. Okay, I got it. Last time we made grits, we messed it up.
So bad. It's disgusting.
What are we gonna put in our grits today?
Listen. I don't know black grits, okay? See, the plastic is hot, but the meat is not hot.
I thought he was over there making a mess. Okay.
Just start a little juice. I'm seeing bacon juice everywhere.
What y'all put in your grits? Question of the day.
Probably gonna be like salt.
That's it.
Salt and butter. That's all you need.
But some people are like really weird about grits. They're like, I eat cheese grits. What the hell is cheese grits?
Just put cheese in it.
Like, what is cheese grits? Isn't that supposed to? I'll eat them without cheese, but usually my grits have cheese in them.
That's what it's supposed to. Ooh, somebody farted. I don't know who, but y'all gotta go. Clyde, was that you farting? It sure was, because he was not here.
I'm okay right now.
Oh, God.
I don't remember what we put in it the first time.
Everything. Put everything in it. The entire cabinet.
I know that I love you.
Whip in the kitchen. Whip in and whip it. Whip in and whip it. Whip in and whip it.
Update. Oh, can you see? Hold on. Oh my gosh.
Is that the same thing in the freezer? Look, it's right here. Look, the same exact thing.
Oh, you can't even. I'm really struggling over here. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, start putting stuff in there. Milk. Girl.
Skinny droplet of milk.
Please don't do this at home.
Safe.
My little fire down there. Okay, what'd you say? Oh, and butter?
This butter was in the freezer. I'm not sure why.
Got some. You can even see it all looks the same color. There we go. This is pre-flavored grits. Pre-flavor.
We didn't get to the good stuff just yet.
Is the bacon done?
It should. I don't know.
Oh.
I think it's done, but
Okay.
I will check in about 30 seconds.
Oh, we're gonna have to move all this stuff. My arm is hurting. My hand.
So.
Okay. My forehead is in it.
Huh? I'm not making. I'm gonna 9 pieces of bacon this time. You're gonna do how much you put on the plate, and we're gonna see what we got.
Angel, we can start putting some seasoning in there.
Yeah, I gotta get the cheese right after this.
Oh my god!
My goodness.
Okay, it's fucking annoying. I'm trucking annoying. Just gonna put that right there. Please don't get any rummy on my spoon. Okay, we're gonna put a hint of Old Bay because we put too much last time.
God, thick is bacon in.
That's it. That's it.
This is a piece of bacon? This is 2 pieces of bacon? That's so thick.
So take a minute to cook. Some. Did we put lemon pepper in there last time?
No.
Woo! Maybe not. Garlic.
Lots of that.
Something coming
Why is it
out.
so big and thick? Am I bugging out?
Okay. You can always put a lot, but you can't take out a little. Wait, what?
No.
You can always put a little, but you can't take out a lot.
I'm going backwards.
Oh my gosh.
It's not the grits.
That's what happened last time. What is this? Adobo?
Adobo.
Oh! Oh my goodness. I'm not scared to perform it as soon as I fear. Oh,
We only have 5.
what we're gonna do? Cut 1 in half? Girl, you can fit a little sliver right there.
Scooch everybody over a little bit.
Okay, we're gonna put some cheese in there, but excuse me. Sorry. Let me mix this up.
Put a little sliver right there. There's got a piece of ice on it.
The toaster oven?
The bacon got ice on it. Cheese on the bread.
Yeah, what is that thing we used to say? Beer oven, beer.
Beer can.
Oh yeah, and it's a beer can and it sounds like British or something, but it's like bacon. Biakan. Biakan! Want some biakan? Can you please pass me that biakan? That is raw. Woo. Y'all wanna see this bacon toasting in the oven? Toaster oven. To come correct. Let's see. You can't even see it. There's no what's in there.
You promise it's in there. Where is it?
Oh my gosh, this thing never wants to stop.
Wash my hands. It's
Oh.
from me. It just touched.
Sorry. We about to get this YouTube situated. You know, I like to snack while I eat. Look, it's fixed now. It's not that long. When did we start this? 3 o'clock?
3:11.
Okay, now it's 3:43. I got me
Time to give us a
some.
nice hour.
What is this? Man cannot live alone on football. Luckily, barley and hops are food. I don't know what that means.
Because barley and hops is what they used to make beer.
Oh, beer.
This is a beer glass.
Beer gone. Beer gone. I don't drink that, so I don't know. We got some
Zoom into my eyes.
Ice, baby. This is my bowl. We're just waiting on these. Can you see? What does that sound?
What sound?
You hear that? Oh my gosh, I'm not crazy. Oh yes. Look like soap on it.
It's all that oil.
Okay guys, we finished breakfast. So we're gonna try this and then we're gonna do the dash. Should I go get my eyebrows done or should I just do them myself?
What do you want? A spoon or a fork? Give me a spoon, right?
You want to see the? Oh, what
no grits.
A delightful meal. Yeah, I don't think we made enough. Like last time we made too much and we didn't eat it. On the time before that we ate enough. Like I was full. Is it cooked?
It's cooked.
Let me see. Flavorful. They good. They better than last time. I like them.
You don't got enough.
No,
You'll be hungry.
make some noodles after. Oh, let me try this bacon.
Crunch, crunch. Eating chips.
Fish and chips. Girl, let me sip my beer.
Colorful beer. Anyways.
My beer cup. But yeah, y'all. We're gonna watch some YouTube videos and rock out.
Attack Mr. Magic Molly Mall.